Hello student, I Neeraj Khare, the biology teacher of class 10. So dear student, today we start for the chapter 15, second part. Chapter 15, our environment, second part. So today's topic herbivorous, carnivorous, parasite and omnivorous. We will start for the consumers. So first one is the herbivores, carnivores, parasite and omnivores. So grass eaters is called as the herbivores. Carnivores is the flesh eaters, is a lion and tiger. Or parasites are live and feeds on the host body. Example plasmodium. And omnivorous feed on both plant and flesh. Example crow, etc. So first one is the herbivorous. These are the organism animals which get their food by eating the producer of plants directly. Herbivorous. These are the organism animals which get their food by the eating the producers or plants directly. Herbivorous are also called first order consumers. Some common examples of the herbivorous are deer, rabbit, rat, squirrel, goat, cattle, etc. Some common example of herbivorous are deer, rabbit, rat, squirrel, goat, cattle, etc. Carnivores. Second one is the carnivores. These are the organism animals which the consume other animals. Consumes other animals. Therefore, the carnivores feed on the flesh of herbivores. These are also called primary consumers or second order consumers. Therefore, the carnivores feed on these the flesh of herbivores. These are also called primary consumer or second order consumers. Some common examples are snake, wild, cat, jackals, frog, some birds, fishes, etc. There are animals which prey upon the primary consumers. They are called second order consumers or third order consumers. They are called second order consumers or third order consumers. They are called the second order consumers or third order consumers for the example owl, peacock, tiger, loin, etc. are the some second order consumers and may be eaten by third order carnivores. The carnivores which are not parried upon the further are called top carnivores. For the example, loin is a top carnivores. The carnivores which are not preyed upon the further are called the top carnivores. For example, loin is a top carnivores. Third one is omnivores. Omnivores, the organisms which feed on both plant and animal. Both plant and animals are called omnivores. Human being Human beings are common example for omnivores because they eat both plant, for example pulses, grams, oil seed, fruit, etc. and animal product, milk, meat, egg, etc. So omnivores, the organisms which feed on the both plant and animals are called omnivores. Human beings are the common example of the omnivores because they eat both plant and animals. Decomposers. Decomposers, fungi and the bacteria which the break down decompose the dead plants animal complex compound into the simpler one. The decomposers help in the replacement of natural resources. The decomposers help in the replacement of natural resources. The decomposers help in the replacement of natural resources. So decomposers, fungi and the bacteria which break down the dead plants and animal complex compound into the simpler form. These are also known as the microorganisms or the saprophytes. These are also called the reducers. They are also called the reducers. So importance of the decomposers. Importance of the decomposers. Decomposers help in the disposing of the wastes and the dead bodies of plant and animals. Therefore, they clean the environment and create the space for the living of the neighbor germination of the organism. The decomposer release minerals and other raw materials trapped in organic matter. Trapped in organic matter, these are picked up by the plants. This also help to the maintain the fertility of soil. This also help the maintain the fertility of soil. The decomposers produce some acids which are the useful in solubilizations of the some minerals. Mineralization of some minerals. Decomposers help in the recycling the material in the biosphere so that the process of life may be go on and like in the unending the clean chain. Vital components. So these are the non-living components of an ecosystem. These include the physical environment. Vital components. These are non-living components of an ecosystem. These include the physical environment. Adiabatic factors like the soil, textile, topography, water and air. Inorganic substances like the carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, water, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, and calcium. These are involved in the cyclic of the material in the ecosystem. These are involved in the cyclic of the materials in the ecosystem. The organic components like the proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. These literally the form of the living bodies and link the abiotic and the biotic components and link the abiotic and biotic components. So dear student, today's topic is complete. So I send you the PDF for your homework. So complete your work and send me. Thank you.